Hello, engineers, developers, and friends. Ken Briodagh here with Embedded Computing Design. And we are here at Embedded World North America in Anaheim, California, checking out some of the most interesting, innovative, and exciting tech anywhere in the embedded industry. And as a great example of that, I'm here with Pico Technology, and Ben is going to talk us through this really interesting and busy demo we've got behind us.
Thank you. Yeah, so today we are talking about our 3000E series scope and our new Python wrappers. So this is our Picoscope 7 software. Right now we're running some serial decoders and just looking at that kind of mixed signal data coming through.
Yeah.
However, not every engineer needs all the tools all the time. So if our software, for whatever reason, gets in the way of their day job, we want to make sure that we can step back and say, you get your job done, however that looks.
So this Picoscope is really comprehensive. It's everything you could possibly want in here. But you didn't win the Best in Show award for just that. So let's talk a little bit about that more focused Python tool.
Exactly. Yeah. So again, if our unit gets in the, or our software gets in the way, somebody can take our Python wrapper and they can develop just a very simple program. So either if the engineer is running test after test after test, doing the same thing over and over, or if they have a technician on a factory floor who does not understand scopes and doesn't want to understand scopes, that's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
They just need to be able to hit a green button to tell it to start. You know, hear a couple of clicks, you get the data coming through. So in this case, all we're doing is measuring a swept sine wave, performing an FFT, and we're measuring the maximum, the minimum, and the runtime. So in the case of somebody just needing to find a specific peak at a specific time, this is all they need to do.
And there it is.
But also with our Python libraries, you can now write a much smaller program that's more resource efficient.
Sure.
So, I'm running this on my workstation laptop.
Yeah.
But if this is getting deployed on, an embedded computer or a Raspberry Pi, something that's a little bit more resource limited,
right?
Having their own program doing just their own thing lets them make that specific deployment.
So can you combine the two? So for instance, in your example, I'm running this specific software on my edge device with my embedded computer, whatever, but I want to feed that data output back into the big system that you showed us in the first place. I can have both of those things working together, right?
So not exactly.
Okay.
They are going to be mutually exclusive.
Gotcha.
However, you can have both running at any point that you want.
Right.
You just have to choose which one at the time.
I see. Yeah.
So you can still have our software connected and switch back and forth. So if an engineer is going from broad multi-tests and then they need to step back in, to run those very specific tests for an hour,
right,
and then jump back, that's perfectly possible.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Ben. Really appreciate you talking us through it.
Thank you so
much.
much.
Really exciting stuff. Friends, don't go anywhere. We've got so much to show you here at Embedded World North America in Anaheim. There's lots of exciting things to happen, so don't go away.